With natural disasters becoming more frequent and severe, fundamental cracks in our power grids are being exposed, especially in places like California, Florida, and Texas, where demand already outweighs supply. But sustainable solutions were the highlight of this year's meeting of the National Electrical Contractors Association.
This year, we're starting to see a growing amount of a new type of smart home technology called smart energy. And this is technology that will unify smart home tech of the past that you may already have in your home and really unify it and help the transition to home electrification.
And smarter technology is giving homeowners the power.
Smart technology is really evolving from what you used to do, which is like ask Alexa for a funny joke or what 1/2 a 3/4 cup is, to really being part of how your home operates. Think about your smart thermostat. And as this transition happens, it's a lot more complicated for a homeowner. So what smart technology is doing is it's starting to make it a lot easier to control the complexity and the energy in your home. The system behind me is a really good example of that. This is a Schneider home system. It's the first of its kind energy management system that integrates and combines technology we've seen in previous years. So a smart electrical panel, a home battery, an EV charger, light switches and outlets. And instead of having 5 apps to control all of these pieces of hardware, it's really integrated it into one easy-to-use app.
That helps homeowners control energy consumption and costs.
Because it's all integrated, you can get some really cool automations. For example, if you live in an area with time of use rates, so it's expensive some times of the day, not expensive other times of the day, and it's usually expensive when you get home from work, right? You get home, you plug in, your kids are on their laptop doing their homework, you're cooking in your electric stove or air fryer. So a system like this, what it can do is it can automatically shift power from expensive utility power when time of use rates are high to less expensive, say, solar or battery power, right, if the sun's down.
Don't worry, you don't have to do a major overhaul to take advantage of this system.
It's really meant to be flexible and grow as your needs change. Millions of Americans right now are making the transition to electric. They're replacing their gas stoves with an electric stove. They're getting a new electric heat pump. And as they do, right, they're being told they need, a new electrical panel, for example, to really manage the electricity in their homes better. So when you do, you can get a smart electrical panel. And then in a few years, when you get an EV and you want an EV charger, you can add in that EV charger. And you can grow the system based on your needs.
Go to schneiderhome.com and click on Design Your System to see how it would work in your home. Get a cost estimate and be connected with a certified installation pro.